She put herself in there. So we've got Mama in the crib. 5 of the 6 kittens in the crate. Left to right we have Gus, Nacho, Lalo. On the bottom right there with the pink collar is Francesca, which means that she is serving as a bed for Saul. And Mike fell asleep in my hand. He's awake for a moment because he's not gaining weight fast enough to suit me, so I'm supplement feeding him. He's not crazy about it, but he's got a full belly. You got a full belly, Mike? Hi. Once again, Mama's in the crib. And yes, she put herself there. So that's the state of things here this morning. What do you think about that, Mikey? Oh, that just washed you right out when I did that, huh? He's just out. Mama's taking some mama time. And everybody else is sleeping, so I guess I'll be sitting here with a kitten in my hand for a while. You can just imagine how much I hate it. What do you think, Mike? I need a little ears wiggling. Mikey. He says, here's what's going to happen. You're going to sit here with me sleeping in your hand as long as I want. When I want to go back into the crate, I'll let you know. All right, back to the lap. Just in case.